Bitterroot Water Forum is a nonprofit organization dedicated to clean water for all through education and restoration. Our restoration projects aim to restore stream health and rebuild riparian areas. To focus our efforts, we've chosen 7 priority streams, and those include both Sleeping Child and Rye Creek. The headwaters of these streams lie high in the Sapphire Mountains east of Darby, in an area now known as the Darby Lumberlands.
Darby Lumber Company built a fairly intensive road network where previously there had been none. By the late 90s, they'd liquidated their entire timber base in this area and had pulled out from managing this road system that was left behind. The company failed in 1999, and the U.S. Forest Service began trying to acquire the lands, which they did in 2005. We have a lot of roads that have been neglected for years, no maintenance. Stream crossings are in various stages of failure. The road surfaces themselves are what we worry about. Combining the fact they're not vegetated with the compaction and they're not maintained, when you get a rain event, you are much more likely to have surface flow. We get ruts forming, we get wholesale erosion that literally washes the topsoil and the subsoil into nearby streams.
Both Sleeping Child and Rye Creek fail to meet their water quality standards. To meet standards, the Montana Department of Environmental Quality recommends a 63% reduction in sediment transport from area roads. The Watershed Improvement Project will improve the health of these streams, which provide critical habitat for native fish, including West Slope cutthroat and bull trout. Since 70% of the unpaved roads in these drainages are on Forest Service lands, we saw a great opportunity for collaboration.
We try to treat these roads by reducing the compaction, restoring natural slopes, pulling out the crossings and the fills associated with the road systems, and revegetating them, make them more productive sites and grow trees again.
Through a stewardship agreement with the Bitterroot National Forest, the Water Forum will restore nearly 20 miles of old roads in a nearly 2,000-acre area in the Rye Creek and Sleeping Child drainages. This will be the most significant impact we can make to drastically reduce sediment in these streams.